Public Act 10175 Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. The Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 is a comprehensive law in the Philippines that aims to address legal issues concerning online interactions in the internet in the country. So these are the cybercrime offenses. So first is illegal access. Illegal access is unauthorized access to a computer, system, or network. The second is illegal interception, unauthorized interception of data transmission. The third is data interference, unauthorized alteration, damaging, deletion, or deterioration of data. The fourth is system interference, hindering or interfering with the function of a computer system or network. So fifth is misuse of device, use, production, or distribution of device or software intended for committing cybercrimes. Now, these are the penalties of each cyber offenses. So first is illegal access, imprisonment from 6 years and 1 to 12 years, or fine at least 200 pesos. Illegal interception, data inference, and data interference, imprisonment from 6 years and 1 to 12 years, or fine at least 200 pesos. The third is misuse of device, imprisonment from 6 months and 1 day to 6 years, or fine at least 100,000 pesos. The Electronic Commerce Act of 2000, also known as Republic Act 8792, is a law in the Philippines that facilitates electronic transactions and provide a legal framework for e-commerce in the country. It recognizes the legality of electronic documents and signatures and outlines penalties for certain cybercrimes, including hacking. So these are the crimes under RA 8792. First is hacking or cracking. Hacker or cracking is a unauthorized access to or interference in a computer system, server, or any information in the communication system. So second is piracy. Piracy is a unauthorized copying, reproduction, dissemination, distribution, importation, or removal, alteration, substitution, modification, storage, uploading, downloading, communication, making available to the public, or broadcasting of protected materials. Other violations such as using, producing, or distributing device or software intended for community. But to prevent cybercrime, several strategies can be employed by individuals and organizations. So first is education and awareness. So regularly educate users about cybersecurity, best practices such as recognizing phishing emails and creating strong passwords. So second is technical measures. Implement robust security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection system. So the third is legal policy framework. So develop and enforce comprehensive cybersecurity policies within organizations. The fourth is collaboration. Foster collaboration between government, agency, private sector, and international partners to share information and best practices.